Bowyer Engineering is a small family-run business, been operating for over 75 years with in-house design and manufacture capabilities operating across multiple sectors. Here at Bowyer Engineering, we have a state-of-the-art facility, and with recent investment have added more multi-axis machines to the factory, enabling us to offer a quick turnaround on make-to-drawing components. We offer the design and manufacture of special purpose machines from concept to commissioning, non-destructive inspection and test equipment for on-wing care in the aerospace sector, temperature and pressure instrumentation and micro-notching for the manufacture of calibration standards. Over the past few years, we've worked really hard to reduce our carbon footprint, and we constantly strive for a greener future. Bowyer Engineering offers a complete solution. For more information, give us a call or visit our website.